What's up guys, welcome to a new trade recap, first trade recap in the new year. I took this trade on my Bright Funded account, it got me funded, I passed phase 2 with it, and people on Twitter asked me to explain it in a video, and today I will do that. Let's hop into the charts. This is the trade I'm talking about. As I mentioned, I took it on Bright Funded, my prop firm of trust. Links are down below. I will go into detail with this trade. Here's the trade on the M15. I took it on the M15 time frame, and now we are going on the hour 4. First things first, we were in this crazy chop zone and we were in this internal range basically, and I never wanna long the top of the range. I will never short the bottom of the range. I will always do the opposite. So at this day, it was the 1st of January, new year trade. I thought like, okay, we might get a new year's pump, and I looked at the chart for some confluence. As you can see, this trend line held pretty well since 15th of December, so it went to the upside, and I was like, okay, if we are close to this trend line, I can try longs. At the same time, we had this hour 4 pump to the upside, and we retraced into this order block, as you can see right here. Good retracement into the order block, and we also retraced into this nice hour 4 FVG. It's a valid fair value gap. It has 3 bullish candles, order block below. This is a very valid structure for a system of mine, and we retraced into it. And once we retraced into it, I was looking for longs. As you can see on the hour 1, we retraced into it with this aggressive dump to the downside. We set in the low, we swept the low, and this was really choppy price action, so I switched to the M15, and on the M15 it became pretty clear. We had a little break to the downside on the M15, but as I told you guys, we are at the middle of the range, of the bigger range. I'm not shorting here, I am rather looking for long, so I didn't short this market structure shift to the downside, and we are also close to the trend line I'm talking about, and I waited for a shift to the upside. And once we broke below, this was the high for me to break, or to be precise, this one. And once we broke it, I just said, okay, I will try longs, and conveniently it was at the time where I was at the computer and I just market entered here. Stops were at this sweep of this low. This was my invalidation, so my stop loss was a little bit below that, and my full take profit was just a range high from this aggressive dump. We are in this range, and the range high, I said, okay, range high is a valid point if my RR is right, and RR was 5, that's a perfect RR. So at the range high, I just said, okay, I will take profit there. As you can see, I took profit right here. I can show you my P&L card, and I passed my phase 2, and I got another 50k funded from Bright Funded. Bright Funded is my prop firm of trust price, code FLOP for 20% off on all challenges, and all links are down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, and yeah, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.